Thank you. The mayor of the District of Columbia calling on Governor Mike DeWine to remove Ohio National Guard members from D.C. She says they were brought there without her knowledge. Ohio sent the guardsmen at the request of the Secretary of Defense, but Mayor Muriel Bowser says their presence is unnecessary. Minutes after the mayor shared that letter on Twitter, the president tweeted, calling her, quote, grossly incompetent and unqualified. All of this came on the same day. An act of defiance appeared on the doorstep of the White House. Mayor Bowser renamed a portion of the street where protesters have been gathering the Black Lives Matter Plaza. Phrase now painted right there on the road in bright yellow letters.